Use FOIL to multiply each pair. Here we have three products to use to get some practice with FOIL. Remember that FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. And it's a nice way to help us make sure that we've done all of our multiplying correctly when we have a binomial times a binomial. Let's take a look at some examples. We've got 2x plus 3 times x plus 6. I'm going to write out the letters of FOIL to get us used to it. F stands for first, and what this means is that we need to take the first term of each of these binomials and multiply them together. So we need to take 2x and multiply it by x. That gives us 2x squared. O stands for outer. We need to take the outer terms and multiply them together. Those are the ones touching the outside parentheses. So here that's going to be 2x times 6, which is 12x. After that, we've got I for inner. We've got to multiply the inner terms. 3 times x gives us 3x. And L stands for last. We need to multiply the last terms in each of those binomials. 3 times 6 gives us 18. That's how FOIL works. Once we've done that, the last step is to combine any like terms if we have them. And here we do. 12x and 3x are like terms, so we've got to combine those. We keep the 2x squared out front, but then 12x plus 3x is 15x, and then we end in 18. So when we multiply those two binomials together, we end up with the trinomial 2x squared plus 15x plus 18. Let's see how this method works with the other two examples. Next, we have 3y minus 2 times 4y plus 2. And we're going to use FOIL here as well. If we multiply the first terms together, that's going to be 3y times 4y, which gives us 12y squared. Next, we'll look at the outer terms. 3y times 2 gives us 6y, and it's positive, so we'll be adding it. The inner terms gives us negative 2 times 4y, which is negative 8y. And the last terms are going to be negative 2 times 2, which gives us negative 4. And again, we have some like terms that can be combined. So when we do that, we've got 12y squared minus 2y minus 4, and that is our final answer. And then lastly, we've got one more set of binomials to be FOILed. 5z cubed minus 2 times 5z cubed plus 2. We're going to FOIL it out again. When we multiply the first terms, that's going to be 5z cubed times 5z cubed. Well, 5 times 5 is 25, and z cubed times z cubed is z to the 6th. So we've got 25z to the 6th. For the outer terms, we've got 5z cubed times 2. That gives us 10z cubed. For the inner terms, we've got negative 2 times 5z cubed. That's negative 10z cubed. And for the last terms, negative 2 times 2 gives us negative 4. If we combine the like terms in the middle, we see that they actually cancel out. 10z cubed minus 10z cubed gives us no z cubed, and so we're left with 25z to the 6th minus 4. It's always possible that our outer and inner terms cancel, which leaves us with only a binomial for the answer. It's also possible that we won't have any cancellation. We didn't have any examples here that worked out that way, but sometimes if the exponents are different in the two binomials, we could end up with no like terms, and then our final answer would end up having 4 terms in it. We'll see some of those examples later.